What's up everybody? Nandito kami ngayon sa bahay ng pamilya ni Jodalyn. And may nahanap ko dito na future YouTuber na si Holy Asian.
Oh my god, you're naked! What's up? Google. My name is Holy Asian Sukala. Subscribe my channel, thumbs up, and hit that bell very hard.
Alright. Ahisi, welcome to our house, man.
Whoa, nice place, bro. Chandeliers.
Welcome to the crib.
It's like Beauty and the Beast.
Bisaya man na sila, bay. We're gonna take him to our condo, give him a little condo tour. Yeah, and experience the Shang. Hello, Josephine.
Oh, it's because of the
Sleep
rules.
over with
We're having a slumber party.
This is cool.
Welcome to our condo, Ahisi fam.
Yo, what's up?
Yeah.
Easy fam, look at each other.
We're having a sleepover pizza party, man. Duanta and Ahisi tribe. They brought one daughter out of, isang anak out of what, lima? Hello, Josephine.
3 years old. See, Josephine.
Josephine. We're gonna make them sleep on the floor kasi wala kaming higaan.
Okay ra, no problem.
Okay, ra.
Sakit labo, okay.
You know?
Dwayne Caballo. He understands that di ka on baboy akong asawa.
Yeah.
Yan.
Mao nga manak akong gipalit.
Salamat ikam.
Hey, unsa ka man diya?
How about you? You want a piece or done?
Ang butsin ng lubot ay. Good night, Ahisi fam. Sweet dreams. Sana hindi kayo magbangungot. Tulog ka na, bebe. Tulog na.
I'm gonna take a bath.
Kasi ang baho mo eh. Joke.
You're recording.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It is morning time with the Ahern family in the Duanta house.
Mga kabarangay Duanta! Sa inyong lahat!
So Brian is trying Weet-Bix.
The Australian breakfast.
My favorite Australian cereal. I used to eat it. You know, when I was 5 years old, I woke up and I said, you know, because I'm 5, I'm gonna have 5 Weet-Bix.
5 Weet-Bix for 5 years.
And then when I turned 6, I had 6. When I turned 7, I had 7. All the way up until I was 18 years old, man. 18 years old, I was eating 18 of those for breakfast every
No
morning.
way.
And then I was like, yeah, you know what? Busog na ako.
What is this, guys? Weet-Bix or hash browns? Comment below.
So cute! She's so cute!
Ayaw niya.
Like the connection that like Shanta had with Josephine was like they knew each other for
Yeah,
years.
right. She's a natural pita.
Oh, you like it?
Wow.
I'm 32.
You're 32, so you
I
get
gotta put 32, guys. Weet-Bix challenge, let's go! Guys, I want to say thanks for Dwayne and Shanta for having us over. We had an awesome time. We stayed up, we were like, we're gonna go to bed like around 10 or something. We stayed up till like 2 or 1:30. Alright, here we go.
Brian is going in for the kill.
For the dun 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 dun. You can picture your music coming in now. Alright, first bite of Weet-Bix. Okay.
You like it?
American approved. Lamig kayo. Oh my gosh!
Gandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Dwayne Huli at kasama ko ngayon ang napaka-pogi kong kasama na si Ahisi at ang maganda niyang asawa na si Jodalyn. Pero mamaya, gawin natin siyang maganda. Ako din, gawin natin akong maganda.
So yung gagamitin nating makeup, yung makeup ko lang, kahit hindi ako magaling mag-makeup. So I only have this much. Ayan. So yan lang yung gagamitin namin ni Jodalyn para pagandahin ang aming mga asawa.
We forgot all of the makeup we got at Divorcia. Divorcia. Not the Divorcia, but yeah. So we're gonna use Shanta's today.
Tapos, after their makeup, mag-photoshoot sila with this.
With a wig.
Yeah, how exciting. Wow.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
The
ano na?
Duanta fam and the Ahisi tribe collab. The first challenge ever.
Yes.
We need
later.
like a time limit, right? We need like 5 minutes.
No, wala.
Yeah.
Basta papagandahin kita.
No, 5 minutes starting now.
5 minutes. Stop like that.
5 minutes
Oh, yan.
doing makeup.
10.
10 minutes? Grabe. Kaya mo yun, Shanta, ha?
Start na.
Bilisin mo, ha? Alright, you ready?
Uh-oh, you ready, man?
Stopwatch.
Make me beautiful.
5 minutes. Here we go.
Uh-oh.
5 minutes and 1
3,
second.
2, 1. Whoa!
Alright, here we go. Go! Sige na, Shanta, kaya mo yan. Gawin mo akong maganda. Gawin mo akong mas sexy kay
Ginabi.
ha? Kaya mo yan.
Make me guwapo kayo.
Guwapo, ang guwapo.
Oh.
Touch your phone.
No, I know.
Sino ang mas magaling mag-makeup? Jodalyn or Shanta?
Oh, it smells like cinnamon.
It does? What's that? I thought yung baby green.
Love, 2 minutes. 2 minutes
2
pa.
minutes. 2 minutes na lang. Oh, sandali lang. Push. Why is blush?
Uy, ito lang ito na.
1 minute 45 seconds.
Di ba? Tuloy ko.
Fast day. Put it on your fingers. Get your stash, go. Lipstick or lipstick. 1 minute 20 seconds.
Why do we have to have a timer?
Yes, I'm talking because.
Oh my god,
Oh no. So they have 1 minute 5 seconds.
Hindi ba blended yung makeup? Uy, ay makeup. Alright.
But nice. What's the name of this video? Filipino live stream. My part doesn't make pretty much.
Ay, stop.
What's up? What's the rest? No. What's that? 35 seconds. 35 seconds. 35 seconds. Okay. Stand right here. Unique. Does me something. Can't go down. I got that box. Must be pretty easy. Oh, stop it on.
Close your eyes.
So I'll look in the mirror. Kinakabahan ako.
Ang ganda ng lips mo.
Alright, you ready? I look like a clown. Oh my gosh.
Normal, bro. Yeah, you do look like a clown. Wow, beautiful. Oh, look at that blush. Ay. It looks like it or something.
Alright, we need to stand side by side. I-vote nyo sa comments below kung
Wait
sino
lang,
manalo.
magwiwig pa kayo, photoshoot pa kayo.
Huh? May photoshoot pa.
Photoshoot.
You're beautiful.
Oh, see, Rihanna. Akong nawang like a baby.
No, not your...
Ay, bakla!
Beki ka?
Hala, may visitor tayo.
Okay.
May visitor tayo.
Visitor.
Mabuhay, kuya! Huwag kayong matakot. Hindi kami Beki. Ano lang. Silahis lang.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am take my clothes off.
Kuya, kamusta?
Kumusta, kuya? Nag-video lang kami, ha?
This is regular. This is normal. This is reality.
Ako po si Shanta.
American Next Top Model. American Artist Next Top Model.
Maraming salamat po sa panonood sa katarantaduhan namin. Mina Ahisi fam at
Salamat
Twanta
po,
fam.
Twanta and Rylan. Salamat po sa pagtanaw. And maraming salamat po for subscribing and liking this video. Oh, and stay tuned for the next video, part 2.
Comment below who you think is the winner of this challenge. Sinong mas magaling mag-makeup? Si Shanta or si
No,
Jodalyn?
sino yung mas maganda? Joke lang.
Makita-kita tayo sa susunod na video.
Okay, bye.